In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to calibrate your board. Calibration is a critical one-time step that directly affects the accuracy of the augmented reality overlays. To get started, open the inspectAR application on your desktop or mobile device. If your external camera does not have the required resolution for calibration, you can always calibrate with your mobile phone and use the calibration on your desktop. Select the PCB you wish to calibrate. inspectAR will calibrate both sides of the board and will begin with the top side. In the calibration scene, an overlay will appear to help ensure you have the board properly orientated. You can toggle the overlay between opaque, semi, and hidden. Fit the board just within the outline. Ensure your board is in focus and take a picture of your board. inspectAR's powerful image tracking software should now have a clear outline around an image of your board. You still may need to make some minute changes. If you find your board is out of focus, select the exit button and retake the photo of the board. Align the AR outline of the board just inside the edge of the physical board by adjusting the handles. You may toggle a lock between vertical and horizontal translations of the corner points. This is useful if you are aligned on the vertical axis and still need to adjust the horizontal axis. Once aligned, select Accept. Repeat for the bottom side of the board. Once completed, you will be prompted to name this calibration set for future reference. There are two options for saving the calibration set: Local and Cloud. Local will save the calibration to this specific device, whereas Cloud will save this calibration across all your devices. Now that you've created a calibration for your PCB, you're ready to explore the board.